What is going on, everybody? My name's Mike and welcome to the final video of 2020. This year was quite the year. Geez, nobody expected 2020 to go this way. No matter what you do or where you live, every human being alive, we all were pretty much flipped up on top of our heads this year. Things have changed. The way we interact has changed. The way we go about our day has changed. The way we go food shopping to the supermarket has changed. Everything has changed. This has been an incredibly difficult year for all of us, some more than others, but I think I could speak for everybody and say in some way, shape, or form, 2020 affected us in some way. For me personally, it's been an incredibly difficult year as far as being a content creator. To be able to maintain a high level of creativity and outpost content, it's tough. But with that being said, you made it much easier for me. You see, back in 2017, I started this channel with really no knowledge of YouTube and no real direction of where I wanted this channel to go. And plus, on top of that, I constantly would be getting burned out. I would post videos for like 2 or 3 months out of the year, and then for the rest of the year, I would just stop and not post anything. At the beginning of this year, I promised myself that I was going to post 1 video a week for the entirety of 2020. Even though I could say I successfully did that, it was really challenging, especially with everything that happened in 2020. I started getting that burned out feeling that I had before and wanted to quit again. But then I would go to the comments section and see all the comments that you guys left me and saying how awesome my videos are and how they helped you. Seeing stuff like that and building this community, it pushes me and gives me a purpose to show up every single week with new videos. This community that we are building, despite everything that happened this year and that is still going on, it made me realize that 2020, it might not be so bad after all. Even though this has been a super tough year, I can honestly say that it's been an incredible one as well. I grew so much as a person. I'm learning so much every day. I got to, and I still get to meet new people all around the world due to this YouTube channel. I feel like this all made us more stronger, more creative. We evolved, if you will. I feel like most people think that this year made us more distant because of everything that's going on in the world. But me, I personally feel like this all made us even closer together. We learned to cherish those moments more with loved ones. We learned to be right by their side, even though we're not technically right by their side. It's been tough, but we did it. So to everybody that watches this channel, the Evolve community, my friends, my family, my fellow YouTube creator buddies, thank you. You guys inspire me to keep going, and you viewers, you inspire me to show up every single week. The videos, the live streams, the series that we're creating in this community, I am so proud of what this is becoming. You are the biggest part of this. You clicking and watching my videos, taking the time out of your day to comment and hit the like button. Those of you that hit the dislike button, it's fine. I understand and I forgive you. I hope you had a great year too. But that's it. That's a close to 2020. But come 2021, you best believe that we have some amazing things in the works, and I couldn't be more excited to share with you and have you guys all along for the ride. So again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone, and I will see you next year. Peace.